Before we begin doing the exercises on the SpineDok, we're going to start with a nice, easy warm-up just to get your blood flowing and warm up your body. So take these to your own level. Don't push anything. Don't strain yourself. Just make it nice and comfortable just to warm yourself up. So we're going to start with some hip circles. And you're going to just gently circle your hips one way, taking some nice deep breaths into your belly, starting to warm up those hips. Inhale on the way back and exhale as you come forward. And take these as slow as you need to. There's no rush. So the slower you go, the more deeply you can stretch. And then we're just going to gently reverse that, bringing your hips back around the other way. Inhaling on the way back and exhaling forward. Just get this nice stretch through your hip flexors. And one more circle here. Good, and then just make them smaller until you come standing straight. And then inhale your arms up overhead. Grab a hold of one wrist. Take a deep breath in and get nice and tall. And then exhale, just stretch your body over to the side. And you can look up to the sky if you want a little stretch through your neck. Or just stay looking straight if that's more comfortable. And then inhale to come back up. And switch wrists. Inhale, get nice and tall. And exhale over to the side, maybe looking up towards the sky, or just keeping your gaze forward. One more deep breath here. And then inhale all the way up. And then we're just going to face, I'm going to face this way so you can see what it looks like from the side. You're going to inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, bend your knees slightly. And bring your body forward, all the way into a forward fold here. And just take a couple deep breaths here. You might want to gently shake your head no from side to side, and then maybe nod it yes, just to make sure that there's no tension in your neck. And then placing your hands on top of your thighs, push your thighs away as you inhale to straighten out your spine. And then exhale, folding forward again to stretch through your low back. And again, inhale to extend. And exhale, coming forward. And bend your knees as much as you need to avoid straining your back here. And if your hamstrings are tight, you're going to need to bend your knees even more. Last one, inhaling nice and straight. And exhaling. And then bring your arms out to the side. Take a deep breath in as you reach your head forward, and use your arms to lift you all the way up. And take just a little mini back bend here, releasing your pelvis forward. And then exhale back to standing. And we're going to come onto the floor, onto all fours. So just set yourself up with your fingers spread really wide, wrists underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips. And you can curl your toes underneath you or have your feet pressing on top of the floor, whatever feels better to you. And then you're just going to inhale, look up towards the sky, and exhale, tuck your hips underneath you. Pull your belly button into your spine as you round your back. And then tilting your tailbone up towards the sky, take a deep breath in and look up. Exhale, round your back. Keep that going. Inhale to arch. Squeezing those shoulder blades together to open up your chest. And exhale, tucking the hips underneath you. Let's just do one more like that. And exhale, round. And this time as we arch, you're going to inhale and bend the elbows. Take your chest all the way to the floor. Exhale, push the floor away as you round out your back. Couple more like that. Inhale, arch, bringing your body all the way to the floor, stretching your chest nice and wide. And exhale, round. Two more. Inhale, arch. It should feel like a really good back massage. And exhale, round. And last time, using the strength of your arms to slowly lower your body. And then pushing yourself back up. Good, and then we're going to take a pose from yoga called child's pose. So you're going to bring your toes together and your knees just a little bit wider than your hips. And put your tush right on your heels there, pushing the floor away. Take a deep breath in here, straightening out your spine. And then as you exhale, just release your forehead to the floor. You can drop your elbows down and just take a couple deep breaths here as you melt your hips into the floor to stretch out your spine. Take one more deep breath in and exhale. Push the floor away as you walk your hands in and bring your hands all the way behind you with your fingertips pointing towards your tush. You're going to inhale, lift the chest up to the sky to arch your back. And if this is enough of a stretch for you, just stay right here. If you want to take it a little bit deeper, you can gently lean yourself back onto your palms and then gently release your head all the way back, getting a nice stretch through your chest and through your neck. One more deep breath here. And then exhale, pushing your fingertips into the floor, lifting your chest to come up. And we're going to come into a cross-legged position. So just cross your legs in front of you, taking your hands on top of your lap. Take a deep breath in, squeeze the shoulder blades back, and lean your body forward. So you can gently shift yourself side to side as you feel those sit bones opening up and the hips widening. Getting a nice stretch through your chest, squeezing those shoulder blades back. Inhale here nice and deeply. And then exhale, tucking your hips underneath you. You're just going to hang off your knees here. So get a good grip on those knees. Rounding out your back, keep the shoulders down, tuck your belly in, and then pulling yourself forward, bending the elbows. Inhale here, look up to the sky, and exhale back. Let's just do two more. Inhale, rocking forward, arching the back, pressing the hips down, and exhale, round. And last time, inhale, squeezing the shoulder blades back, and exhale, tucking the hips underneath you. Good. And then using your arms to pull yourself back up. Inhale the arms to the sky, and we're going to take a really gentle twist. So taking one arm on top of the knee and the other arm comes behind, you're just going to twist your body over to the one side, looking over your back shoulder. Inhale and grow nice and tall through your spine. And then exhale, release deeper into the twist. One more deep breath here, breathing into your belly. And you always want to inhale as you come out of the twist. And then again, inhale, reach the arms nice and tall. And exhale, you're going to twist the other way. You're going to look over your back shoulder, but I'm going to look over my front shoulder just so I can see you. And then inhale, grow nice and tall. Exhale, twist a little bit deeper. One more deep breath here. And inhale back to center. Good. Last warm-up we're going to do. We're going to scoot ourselves forward and roll all the way onto your back. So just grab a hold of your thighs and take it really slow. You're going to use your arms to support yourself as you slowly, 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 one vertebrae at a time, roll all the way onto your back. And then you can just take a little stretch here, arch the back as you reach the arms overhead, and exhale, pressing your low back into the floor. Be very gentle. We're not going to jam the back into the floor. Just a gentle press by pressing the belly down. And one more stretch like that. Inhale, arching the back so the low back comes up off the floor. And then exhale, press the belly down. And then bringing your hands down by your sides with the palms down. Move the feet in so they're hips distance apart, but your heels are just far enough so that your middle finger can graze the back of your heel there. Palms down. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, you're going to press down through the feet and slowly lift your hips to the sky. So it's really important here that the weight is in the shoulders and not the neck. You don't want to strain your neck. Inhale, hips come down. And exhale, roll them up one vertebrae at a time, beginning with the very bottom vertebrae and coming all the way up into your upper back. And then slowly rolling down, beginning with the upper back, mid back, low back, and then the tailbone touches the floor. Let's take one more of those. Deep breath in at the bottom. Exhale, tailbone curls underneath you, and you roll up the spine one vertebrae at a time. And rolling right back down. And then you can just hug your knees into the chest and maybe gently massage your back into the floor by rocking from side to side. And rolling all the way onto your side, we're ready to come on to the SpineDok. So you're just going to place the SpineDok right beside you and come on to one side and roll yourself onto the SpineDok. Get nice and comfortable here. Settle in so you're centered on the SpineDok. And then we're just going to take a nice full body stretch. So you're going to inhale, extend the legs, extend the arms, and feel how good that feels to get nice and long. And exhale, release. Just completely relax your body down. We're going to take 2 more deep breaths like that. Inhale, extending the arms, extending the legs. And exhale, release. And last time. Inhale, extend the fingertips away and extend the feet away. And exhale, release. Good. And then one leg at a time, bending your knees, placing the feet flat on the floor in front of you. And you're just going to snow angel your arms. So inhale the arms overhead. Lift them up towards the sky. And exhale all the way down. Inhale, they rise up. Exhale, they open around. Let's take a couple more like that. Inhale. And exhale. Last time. Inhale. And exhale. Good. And then we're just going to reverse the direction. Inhale here. Exhale all the way up and over your head. Inhale, drawing the arms in. Exhale, extend. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale, feel that yummy stretch through your chest. And last time. Good. And we just did a few of those, but if you want to rest and then take another set, you're welcome to do so. Extend your arms out to the side. Take a deep breath into your chest. And as you exhale, draw the palms towards each other. Now, if your chest is tight, you don't want to take that quite as deep. So your chest opener might be right here. Inhaling here just until you feel the tension. And then exhale the palms towards each other. And again, inhale, extend. And exhale, squeeze the chest muscles till the hands touch. Last 2. Inhale, opening up the chest. And exhale, closing in. And last time, inhale. And exhale. We're going to take one more variation of that. This time as we inhale, we're going to bend the elbows and then open the arms. Exhale, close the hands. Inhale, elbows bend, opening all the way up. Exhale, closing. Feels a little bit different in the chest this time. Inhale, open. And exhale, close. Last one. Inhale, squeezing the shoulder blades together to open up the chest. And exhale, close. Good. And then just taking the arms overhead, bringing the middle fingers and the thumbs together as you relax the elbows onto the floor so the arms make a diamond shape over your head. And then we're just going to walk the feet in so the soles of the feet touch and you open your knees out to the sides. Feel that nice stretch through your inner thighs.